Okay, just in few seconds, we have a hot crypto conference in the UK in May, 24th, 25th of May, or you can just attend in 25th of May, and it's only cost 69 bucks. I think if you're in the UK or close to the UK, this is a must attend also event. Why? Also there will be a great speaker. We have Tom, we have Michael, and also we have me. I'm going to speak in this crypto conference about yield farming, about crypto, about how to make some money and how is the life in crypto. And you can meet me in person, you know, take some selfie with me. All right, so these guys are amazing. This is their 5th crypto conference. Again, they're not huge like millions of people, but they're so nice because the amount of the people, you have few hundreds, maybe a couple of thousand people. I don't know how many will be this time because I guess there are a lot of more speakers and a lot of more influencers there. It's not so huge, so you can network very well, because when the crypto conference is huge, when there are over 2, 3, 5,000 people, you can't network enough. Okay, one day is not enough. Okay, so this is going to be in Doncaster on the 24th and 25th of May, and you will see you have 76 days till when I'm doing this video. When I'm going to post will be 74 days. So if you use my code, okay, CryptoFuel10, I'm going to leave the link in the description. Make sure you use my code, you'll get 10% off. Okay, so there are 3 tickets, 3 different tickets. Now this will be in the Doncaster racecourse. Okay, so that will be on the 24th and 25th of May. Now it's starting at 10 o'clock, so make sure you're there early. Okay, do you know what was the best stuff? I went with these guys with one of their event, and they give us amazing lunch, amazing network, and that's why I'm not promoting, but that's why I'm doing video for free basically. All right, and I asked them, look, if you want me to do a video, I want some discount for you and for everybody who wants to join. So they say, okay, we're going to work with you, and they give me 10% discount. So if you go all the way down to the website, you will see there are 3 different tickets. You can watch online. If you cannot go in, you can watch online for only 12 bucks. The discount is not applied there, but if you buy the tickets, the VIP or the regular ticket, let me just move my face here, or the regular tickets, is 69 bucks minus the discount, 62 bucks. That's not that's for the event is cheap, and the VIP is 169. And again, remember that the closer we come to the event, the price will go up, or if they start selling a lot, the price will go up a lot, and that's why they're on the sale right now. Again, so here are silver tickets you can buy and watch online. Okay, that would be great. Here you have the gold tickets. I'm going to be right here. I'm not sure if can I manage to get there because of the time. I live a little bit far away from Doncaster, and here for 69 bucks minus the discount, 62 bucks, you can go and you will be there on the 25th from 10 o'clock, and you can stay there all day long. You have hot drinks, lunch, gifts, good company, mass of knowledge, refund if the event is cancelled by the organizer. That's a big thing. And for 169, the VIP, there will be a lot of people in the VIP. Okay, you have the VIP limited to only 50 people, no more, no less. Access so for the dinner with the speakers on the 24th, so probably I will be there. I guess I cannot promise so far, it's a little bit far away. And then you're going to have access to the VIP room with the speakers and sponsors and special guests, priority entry, VIP seats near the stage, lunch and the event, hot drinks, good company, and so on and so on. All right, so that's about it. The link will be in the description. Make sure you use my code to get some discount. All right, so thank you so much. Let me know if you're going to come or not, and I hope I will see you there.